Imagine this for a second. A woman at a bar or the popular girl in high school is approached by a guy. But as soon as she looks at him and notices him in her space, there's a strong repulsion to get away. Maybe it's the way he looks, the way he speaks, or just a feeling that she can't quite explain that gives her the ick. She's not attracted to him and tries to turn him down with a polite rejection. But the guy just doesn't take the hint, and that's when a rush of emotions and instinct sets in. She wants nothing to do with him, and so in turn she comes off exceptionally strong. She yells at him and then walks away. What you just witnessed is the manifestation of a biological instinct that even women themselves can't quite fully explain. Over the last 100,000 years of human history, and even further back with our ancestors, getting a chance to mate and have offspring was like a harsh competition where only some could win. And if you didn't win, it could mean the end of your family line. This battle for survival influenced not just who was able to have children, but also shaped how humans evolve over time.